So I'm gonna open the package that I got. This is a CCTV camera intended for the shelter. So this is actually a protection for the dogs at the shelter because we do not know what may happen to them while we are not around. So to safeguard them. So yan. Open na ako ang package and see. Oops eh. Uy. Isa lang siya. Oh. So, dalawa. So, grabe ang package. Sorry. Okay. Okay, there you go. There you go. Baliktad pa. So, di man namin afford yung 20,000 na pagpapalagay ng CCTV, yung dadaan sa mga bang tawag doon. Kasi yung pinsan ko ganyan eh. Pero what happened? Babayad siya every time may mga damage yung niya. May mga needs to be repaired. So, I got it now. Got it now. So, yeah, this is it. This is it, pansit. So, yun na lang connection for the internet. So, ayan. Dalawa sila. Ayan. And the other one. Hoy, grabe naman. Masyado. So this is it. Thank you.